Come on, boo. There's the bathroom, buddy. Go ahead. There's the bathroom. YouTube, what's up? It's early in the morning. I ain't get dressed yet. Finna go take a shower. Today's Sunday. I don't cut on Sundays. Just gonna vlog today, alright? I ain't vlogged in a minute. Really gotta take a shower, brush my teeth, get dressed, all of that. Let's go.
Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. Wavykid. Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. It's the way.
Do y'all wanna say anything?
Make sure you subscribe.
Hey, before I brush my teeth, I just got the shower. Make sure y'all go to Wavykid, okay? WavyKidMerch.com. Use my code Wavykid15. 15% off, okay? You ain't gotta buy a lot, but just buy one thing or buy everything, okay? They don't cost a lot, okay? Just do me a favor. Go there right after this video with them and go pick y'all something up. Please. Pick y'all something up. Please. Let's go. Let's see the baby. Ooh-wee. Alright, YouTube, I'm a little late. Okay, I'm a lot late. So we just gonna see how fast we can get there, okay? Cause I gotta get there. Don't speed in car, kids. Don't speed in your cars, okay? Follow the speed limit. But if you're late, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Full flag.
You go. Stop at the stop sign. That's all y'all get. That's all y'all get. We finna be at church, okay? I don't know what time it is. We can't be less than 5 minutes late, okay? So it's like 10. We left at 10:31. We gonna see what time I got there. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Alright, y'all see the kicks? 3's on. Got the Hurley hoodie on. Slight fit. Supposed to be raining today later. 10:35. So we good. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's get into church.
In Jesus' name. In Jesus' name.
Alright, y'all, we done with the first service. Got another one. Yes, I go to 2 churches every Sunday. Okay, this is every Sunday. Y'all see the waves? They might be sweated out a little bit. But it's all good. Today's Sunday, so it's Sunday wash day for me. I'm gonna go wash my hair later. Like later at nighttime, probably go live. Let's go to the second church. Blue. 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 Are you kidding me? Blue. Look, Blue. You know what? I don't know what's this about right now. Yeah, anyway, we finna go take family pictures. Okay, we finna go take family pictures. So I had to come home after church and get Blue so he can be in the family pictures with us. So, yeah, finna go to the park. It's right down the street. So I'm not finna show y'all how I get there, but I'm gonna show y'all the transition. And I might have somebody else record the pictures that they not in, so I can get some footage for y'all of us taking pictures. Alright? Yeah. Let's go. Really? Are you kidding me, dude? Let him be happy.
Blue. Oh, he is enjoying that dress.
Oop, I did not mean to fall, y'all.
You're just having a time of your life, huh? How old is he? 1?
7 months.
How old is he?
7 months.
I was close.
Full flag.
Okay, guys, we're officially done with our
photo shoot that he didn't even vlog. Horrible.
I did. Nita had it recording. Look at you.
It was on the floor.
So it still
on the
got
ground.
angles. It still got angles.
No, sideways.
Thank you, Miss
upside down.
Photographer. Yeah. Okay. So I don't
Go
know.
get her information so she can tell you who he is so you can put it in the vlog.
If
Don't be
you
doing
want,
my cousin like that.
what cousin?
Yes, yes, sir.
If you want to just state all your information that you want them to know.
Black Pearl Photography. Black with a Q.
You got an Instagram?
Yep. Black Pearl Photos.
Okay. There you go. I'll put
Facebook.
it.
Black
Turn around
Pearl
and get her
Photos.
husband. He do movies.
You do movies.
I do movies. Hold on.
Yeah.
I do movies.
Yes, sir.
Got an award-winning film out on Amazon Prime right now.
Yes, sir.
That's the name of the movie.
Right. Tell me what.
He got over 12,000 followers.
Check out the promotion on Amazon Prime right now.
Yes, sir. What's it called?
Short, directed by me.
Yes,
Check
sir.
me out on my socials, Crazy1373. That's Crazy ONE373.
Mm-hmm.
And chill with my wife, Black Pearl.
So we going? Yes, sir. I'm gonna take blue tone because he gotta get a bath. Cause he was rolling all in the grass. Okay, so yeah. Whatever I do today, I'll take y'all with me. Let's go. YouTube, I'm finna go rolling. I'll show y'all what I'll be doing. We here, man. Going on. Going on.
We famous.
We here, man.
We famous,
Yo.
man. We famous, man.
Finna smoke boys and bowling, bro. You already know. Wavykid can play any sport.
He suck at bowling. I'm just letting y'all know that right now. He suck at bowling.
Alright, but see, now y'all finna see firsthand. Like, they smoke everybody here. Like, they already started too. Like, I'm gonna wait till the next game. How many games y'all buy?
We bought 2. We could buy another one though.
Yeah, y'all buy another one. You got
Yeah, we gonna buy another one. We gonna buy another one.
You ready? Alright. He gonna get another one, and I'm gonna buy 2 after this. Alright. Y'all gonna see me like from fair and square. I don't want no excuses. Alright.
He trash. We ain't worried about it.
Yo, Aaron.
Noah Bowl? Come on, Noah. Come on, bruh.
Definitely just cop the wings. I'm the last person, y'all can see that. Yeah. So wait till my turn,
I'm recording, bro. I just need to get me.
Don't drop it.
Don't drop the camera.
Mommy. It's right here.
I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. At the smallest ball. Alright.
That's the real nigga steps forward. See what happens. He both.
Something like. Something like.
That's how you start the game, boy.
That's how you start the game, huh?
7.
So what you talking about, man?
Come on, 7.
So what you talking about, man?
You about to get the spear? You about to get the
Get the spear?
All day, every day.
Oh no, bro.
Come on, spare me.
He ain't gonna get it.
Spare me, juice. Spare me, G. I mean, he be throwing that.
Right.
I ain't spinning hard enough.
It's alright.
I ain't spinning hard enough.
It's alright.
Sorry, bro. You being frank.
gotta do
That's what
what you
matters.
gotta
Right, you're right.
Huh? Yeah.
It said RAC at the bottom?
Huh?
It said RAC at the bottom?
Yeah. Yeah, I know what recording mean, fool. Thought I ain't know what recording
I just
mean?
wanted to make sure.
Bro, you goofy, bro. I swear. That's why you ain't get this next one. He ain't even bowl a lot, bro. Look at that. My guy. What is you doing, bro?
I'm trying, bro.
Uh-oh. It was almost there.
Playing too much, bro. You playing
Score.
with me, bro.
And it's my turn. Hey, I'm about to dust y'all this game.
Aaron got a 5 and a spare.
I'm about to dust y'all this game. Here.
How sister D beating us?
Aaron got 2 gutters.
Lord help me now.
We back. As y'all can see, I'm about to show y'all the score right now.
I'm losing, bro. I suck today. I suck today.
I think he came back with his strike, but we gonna see. Yeah. No, you can't see it.
Why?
Cause I said so. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. You coming back, huh? Camera lights action. That's what you need. You need camera on you. That's all you need. That's all you need. That's all you need, man.
You gonna see if I come back?
Huh?
You gonna see if I come back? I at least gotta be Aaron. I gotta be Aaron.
You gotta be Aaron. Aaron at what, 50? You can beat him.
This is Spirit.
Alright, let me see some. Let me see some. Stop.
They came all the way off. They came all the way off. It's okay. It's okay. I got more than Aaron though. Yeah, I'm at 61 now. Yeah.
Oh, he do got more than Aaron. Aaron, what you gotta say about that, bro?
Hey,
I was getting strikes all day. It's alright. It's alright, bro. It's alright, bro. It's cool.
You ain't gonna get no strike, man. You ain't gonna get no strike, bro.
Huh?
Tell the truth, you ain't get no
You
strike.
gonna lie on me, dog? You gonna lie on me? That's what we do now to the people.
You ain't gonna get no
Black
strike. What about you, Noah? What you gotta say, man? You got 70. I see you up on the scoreboard.
I got more than him too.
Kevin, shut your short self up.
It's okay.
Grow a little bit. I do suck at bowling. I want you to know that. I am very trash.
Very trash.
Bottom at the bottom.
That's tough.
I mean,
Well, now, what that say? It say Buddha. It is my turn now, so here y'all suckers go. I'm about to show y'all what a real player gets.
He's in second place right now.
Show y'all what a real player gets. Go first. I'm about to show you what a real player get.
The real player do? Now if you get a gutter, I'm gonna be dying, bro.
Ain't nobody gonna get no gutter, bro. You already
Come on, come on, gutter loading. Gutter loading.
You already know, bro. Something slight. A real watch out get the spare, though.
Right. Say it again. Oh, he hating on you, bro. He hating on you,
I
bro.
got my haters out here, man.
Oh, cause straight like the top. Record him.
Record
Frank.
record
Nah,
him.
record Frank.
Get him on YouTube. Get him on YouTube.
Come on, Frank.
Hey, Frank. Hey, Frank.
Watch this. Watch this.
Get your spirit, Austin. Okay, Austin.
What they saying?
is Frank Core gonna match?
Tell him stop hating on you, bro.
What the haters saying? And he guttered.
Oh, come on,
Oh, you gotta
bro.
turn the camera off.
Come on, bro.
What the haters saying?
I don't know, man.
Haters gonna hate and they
What they
gonna
saying,
lose
bro? What they
too.
saying, bro?
What they saying, man? What the haters saying? You gonna bowl again for somebody else's turn?
Look
To
out.
make up for it? Look, he falling and stuff.
Yo, this for your Impala, bro. If you miss, I get you on Impala, bro.
God.
Come on, bro. God is with you right now.
I get you on Impala,
God
bro.
is with you right now. Oh, okay.
I ain't what I want. That ain't, don't record that. Don't put that on you.
You know what?
It's already going on it. It's already going on. Come on, now.
Now we waiting for AA run.
A run. A run.
AA run. Come on, AA run.
All right, spare.
Gutter ball.
I see you.
Wow.
Trying to be like you, big dog.
Alright, say what's up.
AA run for the Impala. Woo!
No, I'm keeping the car.
That's what you want.
No, I'll keep in the car.
As you can see, Sister Debbie
Now what
picks
I
up the
don't
ball.
know is she been tearing this up this whole day.
She rolls
She
the
the
ball.
She got the old head now.
Will it be a strike?
Look at that. Look at that. You see how it's going straight?
My lord.
That was a little decent roll. Huh?
Smooth with it too. She didn't even try it.
She a quiet killer. She a quiet killer. She ain't saying no word.
All right. How do I
Say goodbye.
It's all right. You know she ain't either.
It's all right. It's okay, sister. It's all right. YouTube, the day is over. Bowling goes at 8. It's like 8:05. We still here, okay? This is black folk activity. Black folk activity, okay? Look, we still here. They shut down every other lane but ours. Black folk. So we're finna leave. I don't know what else I got to do. Probably go home. And yeah. My bad, bro.
I just gotta strike you missed.
My bad, bro.
You gotta catch the golden. No, she golden herself. I was thinking spare.
My bad, bro.
Yo, you missed the whole view. He got a strike. I got a spare. What was the camera at then, man?
You look like a crip right now, bro.
Chill. I don't need to get shot at.
She about to choke him out. Come on, Austin. She about to choke you out.
Who you talking to? Nah.
She about to choke you out.
Choke him out.
Choke him out. She gonna choke him out. She gonna break them AirPods out your ears, boy.
No, she ain't.
Yes, she is.
You know she gonna catch. You know she gonna catch you.
She know where you live, fool.
You know she got reach.
Who got reach?
Your mother.
Oh, yeah, she got reach. I'm gonna hurt her.
Yo. YouTube, at this point, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I don't know if you can see me, guys, but y'all see the whip though. Woo, woo. The tints, I got 20%, but they look black. Alex, are you kidding me, bruh? Didn't I tell you stop touching my window? You left the window down. Ain't no oh. You know, if I didn't want to show y'all the tints, see that 0 to 60 eventually. That's sarcasm, okay? Listen, if I didn't show y'all the tints, I would have been in trouble. But yeah, y'all see, man. Blacked out the grill. Yeah. Hey, end of this video. I don't know if you can see me still. I don't know. Listen, we back. I'm gonna start vlogging more. Gotta get back to my tutorials. Alright. But it's all coming. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna edit this, probably get it out tomorrow, depending on what happens. And yeah. Wavykid, I'm out. Chill out.